friends, welcome to today's video, and today is a Boxycharm unboxing. I normally get two Boxycharm boxes, either Boxycharm or Boxylux, and then Boxycharm Premium. But I received this one, whichever this one is, I never really know till I open it. I received it yesterday, and from the tracking online, the other one doesn't seem to be arriving for a while because it just cleared customs. So I thought I would sit down and do this video. Now, from the title of this video, it's not clickbait. It's a little clickbait, let me say, because I'm still waiting for my other Boxycharm box to come for this month. So technically that will be my last Boxycharm, but I have canceled Boxycharm from here on out. Not saying I won't get it again, but I was finding that, first of all, it was very expensive. I haven't been testing as much makeup and skincare products lately, and so I have an entire drawer of items built up from previous Boxycharms, and there's a lot that I'm just not that interested in. Like, I don't necessarily want to be cycling through a lot of skincare. I don't tend to use like flashy colors or eyeshadow palettes really at all. And I thought that the money that I was spending on Boxycharm every month, I could instead choose to purchase some foundations, some primers, some powders. I really enjoy trying out base makeup, things that make your skin look flawless, not so much the lip products and eyeshadows. They're just kind of not my jam lately. I like a more natural eye look. I'm still interested in trying out different eyeliners and mascaras, but Boxycharm tends to, I mean, it's interesting because you do get to sometimes try brands you haven't tried before, but at the same time, it means you don't tend to be testing out whatever is kind of most interesting at the moment. So this is my second to last Boxycharm for now. I'm keeping Ipsy because the price investment isn't very high for Ipsy, and I just want to kind of keep something coming in every month. But for now, this is my second to last Boxycharm. I feel like maybe I was a little spoiled because I had to go to the Boxycharm site to cancel Boxycharm, and I feel like I might have seen some things, but I also feel like I don't really remember, so we'll see. I've already cut this to open it, and let's see, this is Boxycharm Premium. So my other box is going to be, I think it's just regular Boxycharm this month. So I guess they did this a while ago. The tag here is festival vibes. I don't think any of us are going to festivals for a little while. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down beside me, but I'm not gonna look. I'm just going to reach in and grab items. There's something that is dry shampoo, is that it? Okay, this is a IGK product. This is Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control, and 450-degree heat protection. That's kind of cool. I don't have super frizzy hair, so that part isn't so much something I look for, but I do tend to heat style my hair, so having some protection on my hair is a really good thing to have, so I will get use out of that. What do we got? How about this little box? Is this going to be skincare, I feel like? I recognize the box. Okay, so this is from the brand Pharmacy. I have something else from them, again, that I need to test, but this is a mask, which I really like. I do like having masks. This is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. So that sounds actually right up my alley. I do like a good hydration mask, and I like masks because you can try it out, you know, you don't need to do months and months worth of testing to see if you like a mask. So it says it's hydrating. This intensely hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly, which is rich in amino acids, to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it's massaged into skin, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. So far, 2 out of 2 products that I will use. Let me reach in and see what else there is. This feels very light. Okay, this is from a brand I haven't heard of. It's called La Vido, inspired by nature. It's a grapefruit seed, Melissa, and avocado, so made for me apparently. It's an age away replenishing cream. Age Away Replenishing Cream is an intensely hydrating firming cream formulated for dry, mature skin, enriched with avocado and Melissa organic oils, significantly decrease wrinkle depth and boost hydration and firmness. Hyaluronic acid plumps skin and improves moisture retention, while summer snowflake flower and grapefruit seed extract help smooth the wrinkles. This feels really light, actually. Okay, so it's a little squeezy tube in here, and Yeah, I mean, it's a moisturizing balm. I hope you can see that. I know the light's a little bright, but there we go. I'm just curious as to how it smells. I don't know why, but I am. I also don't know what the ingredient Melissa is, and I feel like I should know that. Ooh, that safety seal is on there hard. I think I'm gonna have to use tweezers to get that off. I know that Melissa, you know, the roots of it mean busy as a bee, so there's sort of like some bee kind of connotations in there, but I don't know as far as an ingredient or a Melissa essential oil what exactly that is. Okay, what is this? This feels like a lip product. It is. It is Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints, and this is in the shade Waikiki Rose. That's actually a really pretty color. Let me just show you there. Do I have to do this to make it focus? Yeah, so that's nice. I feel like I enjoyed, I never actually tried it, but I played with them in store, the Nude Sticks, like the actual stick lipsticks that they had. So I'll be interested to try that. What do we got? One more box left? Is that it? Oh, and then a 2B thing. What's the 2B thing? Let's look at that first. Okay, we have here a Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. That's pretty cool. I really like a lot of the Wander Beauty products that I try, so I've also really enjoyed their mascaras in the past, so I'm happy about that. That is cool. And then what do we have here? We have something from a brand called Peach and Lily. I've not heard of them before, but that's really cool. The Good Acids Pore Toner, Gently Exfoliate and Balance. I really like their packaging. There we go. The color of it. So it's an AHA and turmeric. How do I feel about putting turmeric on my face? Why compromise? Have it all. These products are inspired by you. We push the limits of innovation to make sure your skincare includes everything you want and nothing you don't want. Visible results through clinically proven ingredients, irresistibly decadent textures, and only clean formulas. We combine breakthrough research with proven traditions to bring you the best results in a safe and delightful way. This pH balancing toner helps gently slough off dead skin cells and prep skin for the rest of your routine. AHAs help loosen dead skin cells so they can fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. Cape lilac, eggplant, and turmeric extract work together to help soothe and nourish. Discover an easy way to radiance. That's interesting. I'm curious to see if this is like yellow in any way from the turmeric. No, it is not. That is a really pretty glass bottle though, and like it's just gorgeous packaging that they have. Okay, so I think that was everything in here. Is that correct? That is correct. So let's take a look at the prices. I feel like this is actually a really good box, and you know, I'm always excited to get skincare, even though I don't tend to use it. The mask I will definitely use, the hair product I'll use, the Nude Sticks and the mascara I will use. The other stuff I'm gonna have to see if I can work it into my routine. So the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Mask is $38. That's fairly reasonably priced for a big tub of mask. The Good Acids Pore Toner from Peach and Lily is $39. Again, not bad for a skincare product. The Lavido Age Away Replenishing Cream is $69. That's pretty high priced for a brand I haven't really heard of before. The IGK Hair is $32, which again is pretty pricey for a hair product. The Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint is $28. Again, a little on the pricey side, but that's okay. And the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara is $26, which is also a little pricey, but the Nude Sticks and the Wander Beauty, they're pretty much like Sephora level pricing, so that makes sense. When I first opened the box, I thought we were going to get a makeup eraser in here. There's a little like tag for makeup eraser, but it seems like it's just advertising it. So there's that. I know some people really love it in terms of having sort of a waste-free product for taking off their makeup. Yeah, so I would say overall this is a good box. I mean, the two skincare items seem good. I feel like after everything that I've tested, I've gone back to my tried and true, and I feel like my skin is looking a lot better lately because of it. I just haven't been putting it through as much. And with everything else that is going on that I'm being put through right now, I feel good keeping like a skincare routine that's a little stable at the moment. Let me know if you guys receive Boxycharm Premium, if you receive the same products that I did, let me know what you are interested in seeing me test. Maybe we could do a mask with me together, or test out the mascara in various ways from home, apparently, or going for walks and jogs. I can do that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys aren't upset about sort of the Boxycharm ending. I just think there are better ways that I could spend my money on products to test, because it does feel very wasteful having a lot of stuff built up that I just haven't really ever touched or used. So yeah, thanks so much. If you enjoy this video and you want to subscribe to my channel, there's lots of different stuff that I do on here. Feel free to subscribe. My upload schedule has been non-existent lately, so if you want to hit that bell, it will let you know when I upload, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye!